So usually what happens is that every Wednesday we used to have good volatile Wednesdays, but interestingly, surprisingly, today it was not very volatile, and in fact Nifty was very flat today. I really don't know what is the reason, but there is a upcoming event tomorrow, that is today evening, Wednesday evening, that is morning in the US. So US Federal Reserve is meeting and they may come out with a bond tapering thing, which I've explained in a separate video. I've put a separate video about that. You can go and watch there. I will leave a link in the description below or I button. So what do you think is going to happen? Nothing much. US is not going to start tapering the bond buying, which it is doing now. It's been buying more than 120 billion rupees worth of bond every month, and they are not going to taper it. Why? What is the reason? Because Delta variant is blocking that thing. Delta variant is something very serious in nature, and it is creating a dent in the economy. That is very much evident in jobless claims report, which in August you see was very low compared to other months. So it's not a good thing, and they are not going to do any negative things in this time. And there was China Evergrande issue is going on, and it is not the right time to taper, and markets are likely to go on the upside only. And many people were talking, many analysts were talking about these things and all. I thought I have to share with you, and many people were not taking any position today because of this issue, but I have taken position, and I'm sure I'm going to make good money tomorrow, because tomorrow is an expiry. Even if it moves violently, we will manage. That is not an issue. That's why we are here to manage our problems. Problems will come in stock market. If there is no problem in stock market, then you are going in wrong direction. You might be an Excel trader, or you might be a Twitter social media trader who can do anything, who can make good profits in social media. But real world, if there is no problem, then you are going in the wrong direction, right? So let us see what is happening in the market. And as we told, tomorrow is going to be an expiry, and I hope tomorrow is going to be a very flat expiry. Like flat expiry in the sense, it is not going to be very much volatile. And since US, everybody, not me, what analysts are talking is, like what many analysts in the US also are talking is that expecting is US Federal Reserve is not going to give any negative news. In spite of COVID, Delta variant, in spite of jobless claim and this what is that Evergrande issue, this is not going. They are not going to give you any negative news. Whatever they are going to give is, they are going to give you a positive news only, and markets are likely to go on the upside only. You don't expect the market to go down now. It is going to go on the upside only, and there is a long build up in Nifty, and there is a short build up in Bank Nifty also, which we are going to see in a few minutes. But what I personally think is, I am not shorting the market, and even when was a fall from 17,800 to 17,400, I did not short the market. In fact, I was long in the market. I have been telling this in the last two videos, and I made good money. More than 70k I made in just 1 week. So that is how that's what I took a counter trade. Of course, it is a very risky trade, but I took it. But you know why? Because the markets are not going to go down. This is what is happening for the 2 or 3 last times. Every time market comes, they are building, long build-up is happening, and that is what is going to happen today also. You see, from 17,200 market came to 17,500, and it is not even ready to go below 17,500. There is 17,500 is acting as a good resistance support now. So markets are likely to go on the upside only. And if you see the data, let me show you. This is the FII data. Till now, FIIs have bought for more than 7,500 crores in last 1 week. I am talking about from 9th September till now. They have bought for more than 7,500 crores. And if you see the data, daily data, Nifty Bank, there's a kind of short build up in Nifty Bank. 38,000 active call rating, 37,000 put rating is happening. So wide range from 38,000 to 37,000. And if you see the premiums are futures are trading at a good premium of 167 or 166 rupees. And if you see the Nifty also, it's good, really good. There is a long build up in Nifty, and this is what is happening. Earlier, if you check, Bank Nifty was short, there was short build up in Bank Nifty, and now there is a long build up in Bank Nifty. You know what is the reason behind short build up in Bank Nifty? Because of Evergrande issue only. People think there is connection between China and our market. I don't think so. So let us see what happens. Hopefully tomorrow should be a flat day, and I really didn't do anything much today. Tomorrow I have position. Tomorrow I'll square off. If market doesn't move anywhere, and markets without opening, even if it opens gap up or gap down, no problem. If it opens flat, tomorrow's market, Indian market opens flat, that's really good, because I have such positions where I will make money if the market doesn't gap up or gap down. Gap up or gap down we will manage, that is not an issue at all. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. And if you see the India VIX has been reduced by, it's down by 0.28%. So that's a good thing. And seeing all these things, I strongly believe markets are likely to go on the upside only. And if you see the pre-market, one second. If you see the pre-market, Dow futures, Dow futures are trading in the green of around 198, so 0.59% up by 0.59%. S&P future is up by 0.55%. Nasdaq future is up by 0.34%. And eventually what will happen, SGX Nifty is also flat. It is not down or it is not up, but it is flat by 10 or 15%. So that alone says that these all things says that markets are likely to go on the upside. So I have a very bullish stance, and I believe market is going to go on the upside only. There is no downside. I don't see any downside. So markets are likely to go on the upside. So that's what I am telling. I haven't sorted the market even when the market was at 17,200. Instead, I was long in the market. That has paid off. Market is gone above 17,500 and it is not ready to come below 17,500. I am talking about Nifty. So these are all the things which I observed today, and I have been long in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see how things pan out. I hope I have done something. I have given some information in this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Happy trading. Bye.